Good morning, everyone. Today I am vlogging. I have a lot of growing home and garden business things to do, and then I also have just some home renovation things to do, like we're painting a room downstairs, and finally I think we're at the last coat of paint. So that's a big thing on my to-do list. I thought I'd take you along. And the first thing I have on my list this morning is actually packing an order. Part of it was this original painting that I did, and I am so excited for it to go to its new home, but I will miss this painting. It's of a California kind of hillside scene, the classic poppies and other assorted wildflowers, and I really enjoyed painting this one, but it's going to its new home. I thought I would also take the opportunity to photograph a custom piece that my husband just finished in his workshop. So on the site right now we have a large hard maple cutting board, but this one he custom did with the juice groove. And so in order to get this shipped, I want to take some photos first so I can list this kind of new design on the website. So if you're interested, you can pick one up too. They're all made to order, and the quality is just beautiful. He did such a great job on this one. So I thought I would do a little bit of product photography, some packing. Also have a couple of serving boards, charcuterie boards, if you will, that are live on the site right now that I wanted to kind of re-photograph as part of this, since I have the whole setup going. So I will show you those along the way as well. And yes, I do take our photos with an iPhone. The quality's great, better than a DSLR camera, so why not?